Hello guys, I just uh beat someone that is rank almost uh defeated me. But I can use it. I will show you what I battled. Here it is. It's her name, and I got just 41, and she forgot not a boy. He's not a girl. So he got 20, so he got 38. I got 41. So please copy my logout. Logout. Everyone's watching. Okay. This skin is from others. Up the one and that. And so my goal to get to get this sniper, the gold skin. Look at this. Wait, this, this is gonna be all if I get all 6 of these. Okay, see you. Like and subscribe, please. And just 3 subscribers. My goal is 10. Okay, bye.